Eleanor Roosevelt said, "You must do the thing you think you cannot do." This applies to bold housing decisions. Yes, it does. At our age, we often think we can't make major housing changes. Yet Eleanor understood that growth requires courage. Whether it's appealing property tax assessments, building an ADU, moving to a new city, or creating innovative living arrangements, the thing you think you cannot do might be exactly what sets you free. See, your housing should serve your dreams, not limit them. So what housing move do you think you cannot do? Maybe it's time to reconsider that assumption. I'm Deborah Morrison with We Can Do It Women.